So we do use cover crops here on our farm. We've been using them for probably about 10 years now, and we started with cereal rye back in around 2011, 12 or so, and began experimenting with that, and have used a variety of other cover crops, clovers behind wheat, and some other different mixes. But one of the things that we have tried to use cover crops for, not only to help with soil health and water quality and some of those things, but also for a feed source, typically behind wheat. And so here in this part of the country, wheat comes off early July, and so we've got a fair bit of growing season left. But really started down the cover crop avenue as a way to help with soil health, nutrient recycling, allowing us to leave cover on the ground year round, and a growing crop in the months when we couldn't be planting or doing anything. So